Dear student, today I will discuss some different types of sums from mental math. Mental math already we have given some pages, and answer also we have given, but you will face some problem because different types of problem you will have, and because of this I am explaining on the board, so that you can understand. In during online classes also it will be discussed. So some sums I will try to solve. Different types of sum I will try to solve from different mental maths. Now first from mental math 20. Mental math 20. 20 you will have that division fact you have to write. The division fact, the division fact for 4 into 5 equal to 20 is dash or dash. Okay, the division fact for 4 into 5 equal to 20 for dash is dash or dash. So two way we can write the division fact. How? The product you have to write first. 20 if you divide by 4, then the answer will be 5. 4 into 5 equal to 20. So 20 if you divide by 4, the answer will be 5. Similar way, 20 if you divide by 5, then answer will be 4. These are called division fact. So this way you have to find out the division fact. Number 1. Then you will have that you have to complete one table is there, or you have to complete the table there, dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. You have to write that. Already we discussed how to find out the quotient and remainder. So in that column you have to write the quotient and remainder, and dividend, which number you are going to divide, that will be the dividend, and by which number you are going to divide, that will be the divisor. Now uh, the number of units in 6 dozen. Number of units. Mental math 21. Mental math 21. The number of dozen. Number of dozen. The number of unit in number of unit in unit. Number of unit in 6 dozen. Is how many units are there in 6 dozen? You know, 1 dozen equal to 12 units. 1 dozen equal to 12, then 6 dozen. 6 dozen, 6 into 12, that will be 72 units. Okay, 72 units. So 1 dozen always will be the 12 units. 1 dozen means 12 units. Then the number of units in 6 dozen will be 72. 6 into 12, 72. Now same mental math number 11, that 42 one start oval is there, 42, then 6 equal to 7. What to write in this blank? They have not given any information, but after equality you are seeing 7. If you divide by 6, then it will be 7. So you have to put the divide symbol. 42 if you divide by 6, then it will be 7. So that is why you have to put the division symbol. Now number 15. 11 times dash. 11 times dash is equal to 77. Okay, 11 times. That means a number you have to multiply by 11. 11 times means 2 times means the number will be multiplied by 2. 3 times, 4 times, so similar way the number will be multiplied by that number of times. So here a number will be multiplied by 11. Then you will get 77. So 7 into 11, 77. You know how you are getting 7. 77, this number you divide by 11, then this number you will get. Okay, so 11 times 7 is equal to 77. Now, mental math 22. Mental math 22, number 3, the 12 into 5, 12 into 5 equal to 10 into dash. Now, you see 12 into 5 means 60. Then 10, if you multiply by 6, then it will be 60, both the side will be equal. So 12 into 5, 60. Then 10 if you multiply by 6, then it will be 60. Then both the side will be equal. Now number 5, 5 plus 9 plus 14 equal to 4 into that. Listen, 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 14, 20. So this part is 20. Now 4 into a number equal to 20. How you will get the number? 28. If you divide by 4, then the number you will get. That will be 7. 4 into 7, 28. So this way you have to find out the missing number. Next, number 8. Number 8, 61 into 0 into 81 equal to what? Listen, all are in the form of multiplication. 61 multiply 0 multiply 81. If you find this type of multiplication and one digit is 0 or one number is 0, not digit, one number is 0. 0 is not digit here, number. So 61 is a number, 0 is a number, 81 is a number. So if you find, so there is a 0, a number, and this is the form of multiplication, no any other symbol is there, then no need to calculate anything. You have to write 0. So if you multiply by 0, the answer will be 0. Okay. Number 9. The number of groups of 8 in 80. Number of groups of 8 in 80. So we have 80. So we have to make a group. In one group there will be 8. Then how many group we will have? So 80 to divide by 8, then answer will be 10. So 10 group you will have. So 10 group consist of 8 students. Then 80 students will be there like this. So you have 80. In one group there will be 8. Now how many group? In one group 8. So by 8 if you divide the total number, then you will get the number of group. Next 11, number 11, 128 divided by equal to 60. Now, by which number you have to divide 128 to get 16? Easily you can find out. It's 128 you divide by the quotient, then you will get what? 8. 8. Yes. So 8. 128 if you divide by 8, the answer will be 16. Number 15, the division fact, multiplication fact you have to find out for division fact. Now, division fact is given 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. Now, you have to find out the multiplication fact. Multiplication fact will be, they have given into 2 equal to 16. So, this will be the product. So, if you multiply by 8, 8 into 2 equal to 16. So, 8 into 2 equal to 16. Or here If it is here 8, then here you have to write 2. 2 into 8 equal to 16. So this way you have to find out the multiplication fact. Okay. So from multiplication fact, easily we can find out the division fact, as well as from division fact we can find out the multiplication fact. So today up to this, next day again some other mental math we will discuss. Thank you all.